You see it? Yeah, man. The live, yeah, and my 2 cents has gone to Pins of Twins on the dancehall situation, you see it? Yeah, man, because everybody has say, I play a blame game and say this, that cast dancehall for go down and this, that, and chop and ray. You see me, David, but, you know, me think say the real thing make dancehall go down, you know. Me always tell them, you see it. And the whole heap of crew. Split up dancehall. This man have 1 million people, this man have 2 million people. You see me, them think they make dancehall split up, you see it. And the crowd gets smaller. So instead of everybody focus on one thing, you see it? Yeah. For everybody focus on one thing. If one song drop, every vlogger is supposed to talk about it, you see me? And then they think it are better, you see me, I deal with? If an album drop, every vlogger talk about it. Then they start trend on YouTube. You build your own trending, you see me, I deal with? You understand? So them think they make dancehall go down. You have some set of vlogger where the main thing is to carry down certain artists. You see me, David? And bring up some artists. You see me? You don't do that, brother. You don't love dancehall. You love certain man. You see me, David? So, you know, them think they are whole back dancehall, brother. You see me, David? You up a crew. Crew always not dancehall, you know, but the artists them always together. But them new artists, you know, them split up the thing and stay apart from each other and then make it look like a real serious shit. When it, you know, that serious, brother. So people take it serious now and I say, yo, them are this and them are that. So the thing gets smaller, you see me, David? Yeah, man, one time when Bounty Killer drop a song, man, the whole Jamaica listening, man. Even if Macla should be in it, man. Man, Beanie Man drop a song, the whole Jamaica, when KARTEL drop a song, the whole Jamaica. No, KARTEL drop a song, some man I'll listen but them and then talk bad about it and you see me, and some man nah listen. You see me, David? So, you know, them think they all what dance all my family. You see me, David? Yeah. So that's my thinking that, you see me, it want more unity. And the people them for just cut out the Gaza and Gully and this and that. You see me, David? Yeah, man, that are the main thing. But, yeah, man, check out my EP too, you know? You see me, David? Autopilot. To have KARTEL on it and, you know, Chronic Law and them, man. You see me, David? Yeah. Yeah, man, so, yeah, man, I would have, John. Bless up, you know? Respect. There, man, I dance all thing I talk about, you know? And see if, you know, I can put in an idea. Got too much crew. I split up the thing. And you see me, David, make it smaller. You see me, David? Now you don't know Jamaica small already. So if you split it up in a crew, it will go smaller. So dancehall and reggae music look like it now go on with nothing. You see me? So everybody I wonder why this and that. And I blame selector and I blame artists and I blame people, you know. I just everybody for blame same way, but you know, money pull up for blame this, that way. Money pull up have nothing to do with it. I just see people them where I go and now listen to the next artist. And some artists now do not tune with it. You have to do tune where make the hell of them listen to it too. You see me? If you keep them in line too. Cause I see the new dancing tune them. Yeah, man, the hell of them all listen to it and everybody. So you have to do nice tune too. I don't say not do bad man tune, but you have to do nice tune there, all the hell of them. Because in America, all the big people them still listen to certain music. You see me, David? That's why them music big. So certain people find them reach certain age, them stop listening to dancehall, and them say I be a boogie agare. I just say go yo, you see it? Yeah, but you know, we have to try keep the thing together, you see me, David? An artist drop a tune, every vlogger chat about it. If every vlogger chat about that tune there, it will go viral. And then when it go viral and start trend, it just go on. I just say go. Yeah, David? Yeah, man, but them Yeah, man, a real talk, man. Yeah, man, them split up the thing. True, me I try my thing too in our business, you know. It's a long time I tell them about the unity thing, you see me, David? Yeah, long time I tell them about the unity. But a division thing, and some man I say, them nah listen to them man. Some man make them, you have all 10 vlogger. We make them point of view duty if you bring down certain other people. You see me, David? Yeah, like them want the money run and go hide. Yo, you can't do that. Although the money not run and go hide, but you see me, David? Yeah, man. Can't split up the thing and then expect it for big same way. Can't big. Because 1 million people are listen to the man, yeah. And next million are listen to the man, yeah, next million. When you could have the whole 10 million listen to you. Because you divide up the thing. Yeah, man, that's why Skilly Bang get so big, you know, because when them interview Skilly Bang, them try to ask Skilly Bang who I'm artist. Skilly Bang tell them everybody. You have it, when you're a young artist a boss, I tell you this as a young artist, when a boss don't take no side, you see man, David? Yeah, man, not take no side, man. If the marks, you know, everybody influence, you know, you see it. Because a real thing, all of them influence, you know, good or bad, in an artist business, you see me? So nobody tell them, so, who me are this? Me a gully or me a Gaza or me rate. You can't say you rate a man, but you listen to the next man and him influence a singing style or, you know? You get certain lyrical way of right flow for that man or this, that. You put in every man in it. That means that for them, fans them, no hate you. You see man, David? Yeah, man, and the clashing thing, people say help dancer now, but if you clash on a good level where you clash with girl tune, culture tune, you know, everything like what Beenie Man used to do it. You see me, David? And Beenie Man drop a tune, Bounty drop a girl tune. You say you have to clash. You can't say clash would be a murder. You understand me, I say? Yeah. So clashing have to go that way, they feel work. You see me, David? But if you just depend on murder, it not go work. Then the next people them start hate you. When you clash, yo, you tell the people them a friendly thing. You understand? Yo, this tomorrow me and my brethren. People know that serious. You understand? But when you make people think it's serious and talk up on the next side and split, you get less people. So young artists, when you do things, nobody take no side family. You understand? Yeah, man. But that one person listen to me, but you don't know. I save it, but I take no side, brother. Just the marks say, yo, Gully Gaza thing, that influence me. Bounty killer Beenie Man. So the whole of them people, you understand me, I say? You call some people name where, you know, alkaline influence me, this, that. You call some people name where, in a thing. So the two set of people, them not too pray, like, yeah, I take the money aside and all stream here or nothing. You understand? So when you say, you know, you have to just try keep the thing balanced all the while, brother. You can't just, as your boss, you start talk about this. That's why Skilly Bang gets so big. And when they mark Skilly Bang talk about every artist. Some man as them boss, them start say them are this, that. You understand? Yeah, man, so, you know, chop, and the chop thing too, is another genre I build up in a dancehall in Jamaica, so we have to just build it. You see me? It's another genre, because from one day I distribute music, and when I look, I see dancehall. Because like dancehall has become a genre by itself, because you can distribute stuff as dancehall music. You understand? I have reggae. If we can get a next genre on it, that's good. You understand? Yeah, man, chop, we have chop out there, we have dancehall, we have reggae. You understand? And more money for years, me, David. Yeah, man. When I watch nothing, man, early morning, man, I move my vehicle, you see it? You see it, after the parking side, after the cleaning side, yeah. You know? But, you know, I was like, you know, my thought, you know, on the thing, you see me? Yeah, man, check out my EP too, you see me, Autopilot, it name, you see me, David? Yeah, man, 5 KARTEL, tune in War. You understand? Yeah. I have, you know, a couple tune well, me have on it, bad. You can listen it and drive around the world, you see me? Yeah, man, it's comfortable, you see me, David? No, you know, boring thing, you see me? Yeah, man. They are still. Don't know me, I end the life, yeah, but you don't know. Alright. I see everything, you know? as my vlog, because I start do some vlog now and thing. Make people know say we have heading at this, because a long time we have build dancehall. You see me, we never know say me I help build it till now. You understand? And when me a youth and I go places and I do my thing, I never know I help build it. Think of something what it build already, you see it. But now when me I hear the history on it and I watch, teach them and them man, and them give me history, me I say, boom, boy, me did there. No fight, not before certain time, me never did there, but 90s, me did there, me a youth. You know, me did there, I know how I go on with Bounty Killer them and, you know, before Bounty Killer was 91 or something like that. Yeah, David. But you don't know, just the division in a dancehall, I hold it back on reggae, you see it. And reggae people I fight dancehall people I fight reggae. Like another split that. Yeah, David, if you just do the thing. Dancehall artists fight with reggae artists. Split the thing, dancehall artists go do reggae pan reggae beat. Chop artists go pan do dancehall beat. Dancehall artists go pan chop beat. Mix up the thing, get the thing mixed up and flick, you know? Yeah. You see me, I swear to go. Yeah, David. Yeah, man. Can you imagine Sizzler jump on a chop rhythm? You understand me, I say? Yeah, man, I say, you got business, man, and money where I look, we don't care about none. Yeah, man, if you live in America, you will know that, you see it? Yeah, man, we don't care about nothing else. Money where I deal with, brother. So the little bullshit thing on the side and them little way thing that we don't like. Yeah, David.